Ditch the lost remote panic and unlock the ultimate Apple TV control right from your iPhone. First, let's get the essential app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the bottom, type Apple TV Remote. You're looking for the official app from Apple. Tap Get to download and install it. Once installed, find the new Apple TV Remote icon on your home screen and tap it to open. Now, for the magic connection, make sure your iPhone and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Your iPhone will automatically start searching for available Apple TVs in your vicinity. If multiple Apple TVs are found, select the one you want to control from the list. For security, your Apple TV will likely display a 4-digit code on its screen. On your iPhone, you'll see a prompt to enter this exact code. Type it in carefully. And just like that, you're paired. You'll now see the Apple TV remote interface. The bottom section is your touchpad. Swipe your finger here to navigate menus, just like you would with a physical remote's clickpad. Swipe left, right, up, and down to move the cursor around your Apple TV. Tap the touchpad to select an item. Around the touchpad, you'll find other essential controls. The play-pause button is clearly marked, as are the backtrack and fast-forward controls for your media. You'll also have volume controls right at your fingertips, and the microphone icon activates Siri for voice commands. Just hold it down and speak. It's that simple to turn your iPhone into a powerful, convenient remote for your Apple TV. Enjoy seamless control.